welcome to Creativity Area. Today we are going to see two water experiments. So let's get started.
For the first experiment, you would need a plate, you would need a water bottle, incense stick and some water. The first step is to take your incense stick and light it up so it becomes red hot and make a hole bottom of the bottle. The second step is to first cover the hole using your finger and then pour some water into the bottle. The third step is to close the cap. You have to close the cap very tightly, and then if you rub your finger and take your hand away, it suddenly doesn't leak. And when I open the cap, the water flows out. When I tighten the cap, it doesn't. Open, close. Open, close. To prove to you there is a hole, I will insert this twig into the hole. So as I insert it, you can see it floats to the top. I have more twigs. So how this happens? Let's see. So when you open the lid slightly, all the air around the surrounding rushes into the bottle and pushes the water. But when you close the lid, there is no air to come into this bottle and push the water out, so it doesn't pour out unless if you squeeze it or open the lid. For the second experiment, the first thing you need is a glass, a white paper, and lastly some sketches. The first thing you have to do is draw some arrows. Second step is to keep your empty glass in front of the drawing so you can see through the glass. The last final step is to pour the water and see the magic happen as the glass fills up. So as you can see, when the water is filled up, you can see all the arrows pointing towards the left side, but in original it is pointing to the right side. But when you keep the water in front of it, you can see it is pointing to the left side.
So why this happens? This happens because of something called refraction. That means when light travels through one transparent object to another, in this case from air to the glass through the water. So that is the reason why we see the arrows flip to the other direction.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Creativity Area and like this video and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you on another video. Bye.